A curve is defined by the equation 2y plus e to the 2x times y squared equals x squared plus c, where c is a constant. The point P, 1, 1 over e, lies on the curve. Find the exact value of c, find an expression for dy dx in terms of x and y, and verify that P, 1 over e is a stationary point on the curve. So let's have a little look at this then. So we're told this is on the curve, so let's do part A then here. We know the curve goes through this point, so the x value is 1 and the y value is 1 over e. So 2 over e then, put the 1 over e in here, plus e to the 2 times 1 is e squared, times y squared, which is 1 over e squared, 1 over e all squared, so that works out at that, is equal to x squared, which is 1 squared, which is 1, plus c. So that tells us then what c is. C is equal to, leave that as is and read from right to left, 2 over e. This cancels, we'll just get plus 1 and move the 1 over to minus 1. So it's 2 over e. There's c. Find dy dx then. Okay, so let's differentiate the above function with implicit differentiation. So 2 dy dx plus, and then it's u, it's a product, so it's a product rule, dv dx, so that's y squared goes to 2 of the something to the 1, multiplied by the something differentiated, that's u dv, plus v, times du dx, which is e to the something, differentiates to e to the something, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 2. That's the product differentiated then, and then we just run along here and we differentiate this term, 2x to the 1, and the constant goes to 0. So what have we got then? We've got a dy dx. Take that outside of a bracket. It's going to be 2 plus this stuff here, so it's 2y e to the 2x, close bracket, is equal to, leave that as is, and move this over to be with it, minus 2 e to the 2x y squared. Cancel by 2 all the way through then. So dy dx is x minus y squared e to the 2x, easier on the eye to write it that way around, divided by, and move this down, 1 plus y e to the 2x. So there's our dy dx then, as a quotient rational function. Okay, verify that P 1 over e is a stationary point. So x equals, well, y equals 1 over e gives dy dx is equal to, so x is 1, minus y squared is 1 over e squared, times by e to the 2x, which is x is 1 e squared, which would be 0 on top. Let's see what we get on the bottom. It's 1 plus y, which is 1 over e, times e to the 2x, which is e squared. The top one equals 0, so it's 0 over something which is 0, so a turning point. So yes, it is a turning point, a stationary point. So P is a stationary point, a point where dy dx is 0.